So as I have completed this dishwash area and mentioned into this chart tag number, kitchen equipment name, quantity, power requirement and the phase. So next area is room service. In this room service there are the multiple kitchen equipments are available. Induction stove is there, juicer mixer is also there, coffee maker and tea maker machines are available. These are the electrical equipments into the room service area. So I have to mention over here, firstly I need to give the tag number for each equipment. Here it is K3, K4, for coffee maker K5 and for tea maker K6. So induction stove requires minimum 3000 watts. So I have given over here K3 induction stove in room service area. So I can mention over here because the multiple induction stove is available into the commercial kitchen. So we need to specify the room service induction stove. The quantity is 3000 watts and it's a single phase. Next is a K4. It's a juicer or mixer. It requires maximum 1000 watts and it is a single phase. The next K5 is coffee maker, quantity 1000 watts single phase, and K6 is the tea maker or the tea vending machine. I'll mention over here a tea vending machine. It is required 1000 or hardly 800 watts in a single phase. So this is I have done with service room also or the room service area. Next is the cold kitchen area. In the cold kitchen there is one induction stove, a refrigerator and another refrigerator is there. So two refrigerator is available into the cold kitchen area and one induction stove is available into this. So for this entire cold kitchen I need to give a tag number. The tag number is K7. We need to exclude the refrigerators and the other cold areas like chef refrigerator, then chef freezer. These are the excluded kitchen equipment which requires a special arrangement of switch and socket. So I need to exclude that. Next is kitchen exhaust fan. Kitchen exhaust fan is the special ventilation fan required to exhaust the fume or the required kitchen exhaust. So in this area there is the huge smoke created due to the cooking and frying. So we need to give the exhaust. We need to exhaust all this air and throw it to outside by this kitchen exhaust fan. So kitchen exhaust fan is the very most important ventilation fan required in a commercial kitchen area. This kitchen exhaust fan requires the electrical power. So as per the entire kitchen area and the requirement, the vendors gives us the exact power required for the kitchen exhaust fan. Here it is, I have taken for example the 11 kilowatt or it is 11,000 watts. Same over here, I will give for the fresh air fan 10 kilowatt or 10,000 watts. So I have done this, and I need to give the tag number for this K7, K8, and here is the K9. So K7 is the induction stove of around 1000 watts single phase. K8 is the kitchen exhaust fan, and that is 11,000 watts with 3 phase, because the motor available into this kitchen exhaust fan is a 3 phase motor. Next is K9, that is kitchen fresh air fan, with 1000 watts 3 phase. So I have covered up all this area. Now come to this main kitchen, that is the entire hotel kitchen. This is the main kitchen. Into this main kitchen, the multiple equipments are available like griller, toaster, microwave oven, idli maker, dosa maker, then gas hob, OTG, electrical tandoor. Different types of electrical power equipment are available into this main kitchen. So I need to give each and every kitchen equipment a tag number. Tag number is a very important to give for each and every equipment. So here it is, microwave oven. I have given K9, so I will give here a K10. The next is for the idli maker, it is K11. For dosa, electric hot plate for dosa, it is K12. Griller and toaster, K13. Here are two numbers, griller or toaster. So I will start with this K10. The K10 is microwave oven with 3000 watts, and it is a single phase. Whereas K11 is an electric idli maker. It is around 2500 watts with a single phase. K12 is dosa maker, so it is electric hot plate for dosa, that is around 3500 watts, so it will come 3 phase, or it can be available into single phase also. Extend this line over here. The next is K13. K13 is a griller or toaster, 2 numbers. Quantity is 2 number, and it is around 1500 watts. It is 1.5 kilowatts for the single phase.